Welcome to the Statistician Half. Today we discuss about fitting of Poisson distributions in R. Let a random variable x flows Poisson distributions with parameter lambda, then their probability mass functions can be expressed in the following form. Expected value of minus lambda into lambda to the power x divided by factorial of x, where a range of x is 0, 1, 2 up to infinity and lambda is greater than 0. We know that for the Poisson distributions, mean equal to lambda equal to variance. Now we take the dataset x, take the values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and their corresponding frequencies are 213, 128, 37, 18, 3, 1, 0 respectively, which is denoted by f here. And n is the total number of observations. Now we estimate the value of the parameter lambda. We know that mean equal to sum of x into f divided by sum of f, where mean is the parameter of Poisson distributions. Now we run this code, we get the value of the mean. We get the mean value is 0.6825. So the estimate value of the lambda is 0.6825. Now we run the PMF of Poisson distributions and calculate the expected frequency equal to total number of sample size into the PMF. And these are the expected frequencies of the dataset. So these are the observed value and these are the expected value. Thank you for watching.